You can search scripts, so you have these settings, and this is amazing. Hello YouTube, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called abloop.com. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your profile official on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, it's super easy. Let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button, press paste, and automatically you will get your user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID is successfully connected. Next step is to select on button and select scripts, what you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select these 4 scripts and press continue, and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This site is amazing and this is working method. So AP connected, nice, guys. Just scroll down and click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still have this message, so let's wait. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Grow Garden and let's see if we actually get our Delta Executor. So okay, let's see. And guys, as you can see, we have these panels. So we have this message: thank you for using Delta Executor. So let me click here, guys. As you can see, we have all these scripts, so just click execute. You can search scripts, so you have these settings, and this is amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.